Kaka wetenge magomotendre kod wechego mag kor lwasi kata kamano nyakor magajwang pod wang'yo mago mag kor lwasi kama Gavana ma Nairobi Gavana Sakaja okoni dwaro ntiere mondo mijiw kit gedo kod lony ma oketh kor lwasi.
Kanoloso tenge maromo mar Afrika ewi weche mag lwasi, Sakaja okoni gedo makamano biro konyo Nairobi chopo dwaro mare mar rito aluora kendo jiwo yuto ne jodak ma Nairobi.
Romo no mano ota kod riwruok mong'ere kaka Kenya Green Building Society kanyakla kod Alliance for Science bende notwak ewi okenge ma owinjo keti ting'o malo nyadhi mag bombe mag madongo mapiyo e kind pinje Afrika.
Housing infrastructure that Nairobi needs, and that has been an agenda of our President, His Excellency William Ruto, and our agenda at Kenya Kwanza, to meet our climate commitments. Then we are invariably also creating jobs, thousands of jobs, and then our governments can expect more revenue. You know, there is a virtuous cycle that is available to us and an opportunity for us as governments.
So we at Alliance for Science, we are a global science communication initiative, and we help to bring the science to the fore, and we try and do it in ways that makes it easy and not makes it onerous, and helps people to take the science that they need to answer the questions and to prepare for the future that we want.
To reach the initial Paris Agreement goals of 50% emissions reduction by 2030, and the fuse is much, much shorter on some of the social challenges that our continent is faced with. So in this regard, we hope to unpack what ESG means for Africa and the climate financing conversation in practical terms.
Wasura nenyi menya kwa Ramogi kama wang'yo